Hey everyone, let's be real. Most video calls are a waste of time. You sit there, half listening, while someone shares their screen, and you just nod along. But what if your meetings could actually be productive? Imagine editing documents, collaborating on projects, and presenting with zero lag, all inside your video call. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, meet KYZON Space, the game-changing Zoom alternative designed to make your meetings actually work for you. KYZON Space is a browser-based platform that lets you present, collaborate, and edit documents live during video calls. No downloads, no complicated setups, just seamless teamwork. Whether you're a remote team, a marketing agency, or a small business, this is the tool that turns boring meetings into actual work sessions. Instead of passively watching a screen share, you can upload Word docs, Excel files, and even Google Docs right into the meeting. Everyone can highlight text, add comments, and make edits in real time. Real-time document editing. With KYZON Space, you're not just talking about action items, you're actually working on them. Need to tweak ad copy? Adjust a spreadsheet? Review a proposal? Just pull it up, edit it together, and leave the meeting with a finished product. Lag-free presentation. Ever been in a meeting where the screen share lags or freezes mid-sentence? Not anymore. KYZON Space syncs presentations across everyone's screen, so they load instantly, and attendees can even scroll through slides on their own without disrupting the presenter. Cloud storage integrations. Need to pull in files from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive? No problem. KYZON Space integrates with your favorite cloud storage platforms, so all your important documents are just a click away. Meeting tools for maximum productivity. And to keep everything organized, you can capture screenshots, take live meeting notes, and even record calls for anyone who couldn't make it. Plus, breakout rooms let you brainstorm in small groups before jumping back into the main meeting, seamlessly. If you're tired of video calls that go nowhere, KYZON Space is the upgrade you need. Say goodbye to boring meetings and hello to real-time collaboration, synced presentations, and seamless document editing, all in one platform. Click the link below to get lifetime access and start running productive meetings now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing tools like this. See you in the next video.